Hi, here's Mark. I'm Eva. We're here at the Mdina Glass handmade shop. And this is not Medina in the Middle East. This is Medina in Malta. And we're watching him heat up the glass now. And then he should be doing some blowing shortly. Once he makes it hot enough, which looks like it's now. Just move over this way a little so I can get in the video. Oh, look at that. He uses those pincers to pull out the ends. Not exactly sure. Mark, any idea what he's making? Very interesting. Ah, it's a swan. It's a swan. I saw him pull out the beak. Oh wow, beautiful! Yay! Yay, that was quick. Oh my gosh. Very, very fast.
That was great.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Here, let me show some of the work they have here. So we get animals. Do we have that's a turtle?
No,
okay.
It's a big turtle.
It is a big turtle. We need small things to. Yeah, we need small things to bring home. Okay, beautiful colors. Look at these gorgeous colors, the orange and the blue. Oh, Mark, you want to see another? Let's see what he's going to do. Let's see what you're going to do this time. Now that's so hot. You can see the embers flying out. Now he's taking a rounded shape. Let's see. Oh, flattening it down. Oh, interesting. Like a plate almost. Doing snip snip makes it look easy. It's definitely not easy, but it makes it look easy. Oh, I see another animal's forming. Mark, what animal is this? Is it a rooster or a rabbit? I feel like I'm Rorschach test, trying to figure out what I'm looking at here. Flatten it out some more. Fascinating. I don't know, what is that? It's a fish. Okay, thank you, group. I was having trouble with that one. Beautiful. So come with us, Eve and Mark, when we enjoy the art of glass blowing. Okay.